Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about exponential growth. What is exponential growth? It's a specific way that a quantity may increase over time. Here's a exponential growth formula. The fx is the exponential growth function, a initial amount, r growth rate, x number of time of intervals. You must memorize this formula very well. Here's an easy example to understand. For example, if the population of mice doubles every year starting with 2 in the first year, the population would be 4 in the second year, 16 in the third year, 256 in the fourth year, and so on. The population is growing to the power of 2 each year in this case. Here is an life application. The population of Gilbert concerns at the beginning of 2001 was 12,546. If the population grew 15% each year, what was the population at the beginning of 2015? Here we'll need the exponential formula to know the rate of change. So basically you need to memorize the exponential formula. So the first step is identify the known variables. Since the population is said to be growing, the growth factor is b equal 1 plus r, okay? Y equal population 2015, and a is the starting value. Okay, r is the decimal form of 15%, so it will be 0.15. X equal 2015 minus 2001 equal 14 years. And step 2, substitute the known values, and then after that solve for y, and you will get the answer, or the exponential growth. Okay, you must remember that the decay or growth rate must be in the decimal form. Okay, so